Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So students, in your social science class, we are going to discuss about chapter number 6, locating places on planet Earth. Topic is importance of longitudes and grid in locating places. So first of all, I am going to tell you about international dateline. So students, 180 degree longitude is called the international dateline. The international date line is located halfway around the world from the prime meridian 0 degree longitude or about 180 degree east of Greenwich. It is also known as the line of demarcation. Longitude. Line of longitude begin at the prime meridian. So see in this image 60 degrees east is the 60-degree line of longitude. Longitude, lines of longitude and number east from the prime meridian to the 180-degree line and west from the prime meridian to the 180-degree line. Prime meridian divides the earth in two equal halves. It is also located as 0 degree. It passes through the community of Greenwich, England. So students, what is international date line? A line of meridian that runs through the Pacific Ocean and is exactly halfway around the world from the prime meridian. Okay. International dateline. This dateline is not straight. The dateline runs from the North Pole to the South Pole and marks the divide between the Western and Eastern Hemisphere. It is not straight but zigzags to avoid political and country borders and do not cut some countries in half. So students, look at this image. International dateline locating places on grid. So students, what is grid? The network of latitudes and longitudes on maps and globes is called a grid. So, in this page number 79, 180-degree longitude is called the international date line. It has not been labeled as E or W. When it is Sunday in the western longitude, the eastern longitudes have a Monday. Okay, so the 180th longitude is called the international date line. The 180-degree east and 180-degree west longitudes fall on the same line, which is exactly opposite to the prime meridian. It is not labeled as east or west. It is called the international dateline because it separates two calendar days. Countries in the eastern hemisphere are one day ahead of the countries in the western hemisphere. For example, if it is 21st June in the eastern hemisphere, it will be 20th June in the western hemisphere. For example, it was 7th August and it was Ria's aunt's birthday. I called to wish her a happy birthday. She said it was still 6th August in Canada and she will celebrate her birthday the next day. Okay. So the network of latitudes and longitude on maps and globe is called a grid. The grid help us locating places on maps and globes. That is very easy to locate a place. We look at its latitudes and its longitude. The point where these two lines intersect or cut each other is the location of that place. For example, place P is located at 40-degree north latitudes and 60-degree west longitudes. Find out where these two lines cut each other. That point will be the location of place P. So students, look at this page number 80. Okay. So this describes main difference between latitudes and longitudes. These imaginary line on from east to west, these are parallel lines and so they never meet. These have equal distance between them. These are numbered from 0 degree to 90 degree north and 0 to 90 degree south. And longitude, these imaginary lines are drawn from north to south. These lines meet at poles and are thus not parallel. These are closest to each other and poles and farthest at the equator. These are numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree east and 0 degree to 180 degree west. All longitudes are of same length. So announcement जैसे एरोप्लेन पे होती है, we will be landing Guwahati in about 30 minutes. Guwahati lies in coordinate 26 degree north and 90 degree east. By coordinate they mean the latitudes and the longitudes. The pilot has found out where Guwahati is through the instruments. So students, now this is let's try 7. So these are question answers. So write question answers in your notebook. How is the international date line different from the prime meridian line? And okay students, so do let's try 7 in your notebook. Okay students, thank you so much. Bye.